Hello, everyone. Hope that you're doing well. Appreciate all the work so far that's gone into exam one. Remember, that is due tomorrow, September 25th, so make sure you finish exam one. Further, we're going to jump into Chapter 6, Professional Liability and Medical Malpractice, which I've already opened for you. And we got some great information in here. Of course, a lecture that was recorded a little while ago. I think that you'll have a lot of interest in it. And remember, you'll have your Chapter 6 lecture question, which is due. Of course, that's just one post, no reply, and then your Chapter 6 review questions. So we're going to talk about medical malpractice, really tie that in with negligence as well. If you run into any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know. Of course, now that you've finished exam one, you have a bit of a break, so it's not as stressful. However, there's some great information in this chapter that I don't want you to overlook. Appreciate all your work. Reach out if you have any questions, and I hope you have a great week next week. Thanks so much.